Good day, everyone. I'm Ayala Jane Esperes from BSIT 2A Waman, and today I'll talk about O of log n, or a logarithmic time operation, using binary search. Before we start, just quick recap about Big O notation. So, here's the definition of Big O notation. Big O notation is a way to describe how efficient an algorithm, specifically how its running time or space requirements grow as input size increases. And it also helps us analyze of the performance of the algorithm, specifically their time complexity and space complexity. It describes how the running time or space requirements of an algorithm grow as the size of the input increases. Now, what does O of log n means? Or logarithmic time. The logarithm becomes slightly slower as the input increases. It usually happens when the data is divided in half at each step, like in binary search. This makes it very efficient for a large amount of data. What does binary search meaning? Common in searching elements, the function of binary search is to search for specific elements in an array. So here's our example code. So we have here the user-defined function here. This is our user-defined function of the binary search. But first, we need to declare a prototype which is ito, the binary search. This is the prototype. So I have here the array here. Now let's search for 30. 30, where is the location? Here is the length of an array. This is the length of an array. N equals size of number divide size of number. So we put n here. We put n because the number of the array and the size of an array goes to parameter. And the second here is the target, which is our target is 30. So now we're going to run the code. So, pang 9, lumabas na pang 9 siya. So, we're going to check if pang 9 talaga siya. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, tama. The time complexity is O of log n because we keep dividing the search space by 2 each time. So here's the are the 8 numbers. It takes around 3 steps. If there are 1000 numbers, it takes about 10 steps. That's very fast comparing to checking all the numbers one by one, which will take 1000 steps. To sum it up, I learned that binary search is a fast and efficient way to find data in a sorted list. It uses O of log n time, meaning it's much faster than linear search. Binary search is used in many real-world applications, like finding words in dictionary, searching in databases, or even looking things up online. That's all. Thanks for watching.